This video teaches you how you can add your business, office, or home location in Google Map. Don't worry if you are using Android or Apple device, the method will remain the same. First, open your Google Map application in your mobile. On this screen, press this Contribute button. Here, you'll have 4 options, but if you are doing it for the first time, then click on Add Place. It will work same for business, office, or home or address. Now, in the first box, add the name of place, like business name, office name, or home. Down below, you need to choose a category. You'll have multiple options to choose from. Choose the category which suits your business. In the address section, you must add the complete address of your location. Down below, you must choose your PIN by tapping it on the map. Click this Edit Map Location button and the Google Map will open. Next, you need to add any other location which is near to yours. This way, Google will have a better idea of your business and location, and it will help in the approval process. Next, choose your business days and hours, as well as your opening and closing times. Then press Save. Next, you will add the images of your location. You can also add the logo of your business name and the photos of your business premises as well. This is so important for your clients who want to visit your business. In the last step, add your phone number. This is also helpful for those people who want to interact with your business, because these photos and your number will show up in the Google search results. After this, just press the Submit button, and now Google will analyze your submitted data, and within 24 hours, your business location will be listed on the Google Map. I hope you like this video. If yes, then like the video, share it with your friend, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.